Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly, while others keep struggling no matter how hard they try? It's not luck, it's not even intelligence. It's something deeper, something hidden beneath the surface of your awareness, your subconscious mind. 95% of your life is controlled by it. Your habits, your emotions, your fears, your confidence, all of it, shaped by the programs inside your subconscious. The problem is, most of those programs were written by someone else. By your parents, your teachers, your failures, your past. But here's the truth. You can rewrite them. You can reprogram your subconscious mind to attract peace, success, and abundance. And today, I'm going to share with you 3 books that can completely rewire the way your mind works. If you truly understand them, they will change your life forever. Let's begin. Book 1, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book is where it all begins. It's not just a book, it's a manual for your inner world. Dr. Murphy says something simple, yet life-changing. Whatever you impress on your subconscious mind will express in your life. If you constantly think, "I'm unlucky," your mind will create situations to prove you right. If you believe love is painful, you'll attract relationships that confirm it. If you believe money is evil, you'll unconsciously push it away. Your subconscious is like a soil. Whatever seed you plant, it will grow, no matter if it's a flower or a weed. Murphy gives a simple technique. Before you sleep, relax your body and mind, and then repeat a phrase that represents the life you want. Not as a wish, but as a fact. Say, "I am peaceful, I am successful, I am loved," and feel it as if it's already true. Because in that half-sleep state, your brain enters a frequency where your subconscious listens. Do this every night for 21 days, and watch what happens. Opportunities appear, people change, you change. It's not magic, it's the science of belief. Your outer world always mirrors your inner one. Book 2, Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. If Murphy showed you the power of belief, Dispenza shows you the science behind it. He explains that every thought you think fires certain neurons in your brain, and the more you repeat the same thoughts, the stronger those neural connections become. That means, if you keep thinking the same negative thoughts, you're literally wiring your brain for pain. You become addicted to stress, to worry, to sadness. But here's the good news, you can rewire it. Dispenza teaches that your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So if you can imagine a new version of yourself and feel it emotionally, your brain begins to believe it's already true. That's why visualization works. That's why meditation works. Because when you feel joy, peace, and gratitude before something happens, you're teaching your body how to live in that new reality. He says you can't create a new future while holding on to the emotions of your past. If you want to become rich, you can't keep feeling poor. If you want to attract love, you can't live in fear. You must become the person your future requires now. Every morning before you touch your phone, close your eyes, breathe deeply, visualize yourself living the life you desire. See it, feel it, believe it. Your mind will begin to adjust, your body will follow, and slowly your outer reality will start to match your inner vision. That's not wishful thinking, that's neuroscience. Book 3, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now that you understand the power of belief and science of reprogramming, Hill gives you the strategy. This book is often misunderstood. People think it's just about money, but it's not. It's about energy, faith, and the power of thought. Hill spent 25 years studying the most successful people of his time, Edison, Ford, Carnegie, and he discovered one common truth. They all had a burning belief that their vision was already real. That's the real meaning of his famous quote. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. But here's the hidden key. You can't just conceive it. You must believe it so deeply that your subconscious accepts it as reality. Hill teaches auto-suggestion, the art of talking to your subconscious mind. It means repeating your goals out loud, writing them daily, and feeling gratitude as if they already happened. When you do this, your subconscious begins to expect success, and when your subconscious expects success, your actions automatically align with it. You stop chasing, you start attracting. People appear at the right time, opportunities unfold, luck becomes predictable, not because of magic, but because your mind is finally in harmony with your goals. Connecting the 3, Murphy gives you the law. Dispenza gives you the science, Hill gives you the system. Together they create a complete map for transformation. Murphy says believe, Dispenza says feel, Hill says act. And when belief, emotion, and action align, your subconscious mind has no choice but to change reality. But here's the deeper truth. Reading these books alone won't change you. You have to live them. Knowledge doesn't reprogram your mind. Emotion does. You must feel what you read. You must practice it every day. When you read Murphy, don't just highlight lines. Close your eyes and live them. When you read Dispenza, don't just understand the brain. Visualize your future. Meditate on it. When you read Hill, don't just chase success. Redefine what success means to you. Maybe success is peace. Maybe it's freedom. Maybe it's being yourself without fear. Whatever it is, feel it deeply, because your subconscious mind doesn't speak English. It speaks emotion. The real secret. Reprogramming your mind isn't about repeating positive phrases all day. It's about creating a new emotional state, a new vibration of being. When your body feels gratitude, when your heart feels love, when your mind feels peace, you are already living your new reality from within. And that's when life begins to mirror it back to you. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Final reflection. So tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself one question. What programs am I still running that no longer serve me? Is it the belief that you're not enough, that you can't succeed, that change takes years? Erase them, replace them, rewrite them, because once you change the story inside your mind, your outer world will have no choice but to follow. That's not a miracle. That's the law of the subconscious mind. Closing message. Your subconscious mind is not your enemy. It's your most powerful servant. It listens to everything you say, everything you feel, everything you believe. So speak to it with love, feed it with truth, guide it with patience, and one day you'll wake up and realize you didn't just read 3 books, you rewrote your entire destiny.